Cool.
Come back. You're gonna squeeze your knees together.
I'll try anything once.
Eye squeeze?
Go, oh God. She's like, maybe I don't want to anymore. Right? Here, so you need to sit back.
Yep, you're good.
Back, way far back, way far back, way far back. Now, sit. Yep, skirt bend over backwards.
Oh yeah, this is a huge spot now. Oh, hang on, slow down, slow down, slow down. You're good, you're good. I got you. Find it down. Now we're back and down. Swing around. Yeah, there we go.
Squeeze your legs together, squeeze your knees.
Do it, it's fine. It's fine, right?
I'll bring it down so it's a little bit easier.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, find the balance.
Just grab underneath her feet. Let them go.
Yeah.
Do you feel it's pretty stable, or do you need her to push into your hands to adjust your feet?
Yeah, there you go. Oh, no, you're adjusting. Yeah, you're good.
Good.
Your pants like perfectly stick to my feet.
Do you guys want to go backwards? Going to throw?
Yeah, that sounds cool. Do I bend back?
What do you do? Just let go, let go.
You're gonna let go of her, yeah. Nice.
And the right leg around?
Right leg around.
Oh, no. Yay, I'm fighting my way.
Okay.
Oh, that was so close.
That's really good.
Yeah, that was awesome.
I do not like her.